Hello guys. So in today's video, let's discuss what are the important levels we can keep on radar for the coming week or for the coming sessions. So in the last 2 weeks, we have seen like there is a sharp decline movement, and Nifty is trying to take a support near 17,000. So you can see this is the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart you can see in the last 2 weeks Nifty tried to give a breakdown but couldn't sustain and close above this 17,035 level. So this level is acting as a, you can say, immediate support, and a sustainable breakdown is required to reach the next support level, that is 16,598. Right now let's look at the daily chart. So on daily chart you can see trend looks completely bearish, right? Trend looks completely bearish, and every day we saw like market open on Nifty or Bank Nifty opens gap up, and then we saw a sharp decline to the downside level, but still it is trying to sustain below this 17,035, or you can say 17,000 is the immediate support. So a sustainable breakdown is required to trigger a short trade for the next downside target, that is 16,500. Right, overall trend is completely bearish and there is no sign of recovery, and only a breakout above 17,472 to 17,500, then only we can say the trend is changing. Right, now let's move to the OI data, and let's check what is the immediate support and resistance based on the OI data. So this is the OI sheet, and you can see this 17,100 is acting as an immediate resistance because PCR is 0.30, and on the downside support is around, say, 16,800. Normally I follow only 100 strike, and because 70,800 having the PCR of 10, so it's above 2, so 16,800 can be the immediate support. 16,900 is having the PCR 1.93, sorry, so it's below 2. So until it is not going above 2, we can't say that it's a immediate support, but you have to keep track. If PCR goes above 2, then support can be shifted from 16,800 to 16,900, but on the upside 17,100 the immediate resistance, and Nifty will not break this level until PCR is not going above 0.60. Right, so overall trend is neutral. So we can say for today 17,100 and 16,900 are the two levels that we can keep on radar. Right, while 17,200 to 16,800 is the broad range we can keep on radar for the current weekly expiry. Right, now let's move to the Bank Nifty and check what is the immediate support and resistance on Bank Nifty. Now let's look at the weekly chart first. On the weekly chart you can see that, just give me a second. So on the weekly chart you can see Nifty, Bank Nifty is trying to sustain below this 39,620, so which is the 38.2% retracement level, and it's good if it manages to sustain below this level, then it can reach to this 38,221. Right, because overall trend is down, and any upside movement can be a sell and rise type of opportunity. So if you are holding a short trade, you can keep holding until Bank Nifty is trading below this 39,620. Right, And now let's check on the daily chart. And on the daily chart you can see the same thing we can see in the bank nifty also, like we see on the nifty. But here you can see this is the immediate support, right? Bank nifty retraced, it took support from 2 times from this level, and now after a breakdown it is trying to uh, sustain below this level, right? So although there is a like range bound activity, but overall trend looks bearish, and this 39,620 is a good level where we can initiate a short trade. If you are already holding a short trade, you can just keep following it. And for upside moment, I prefer to follow this 41,352. So until bank nifty is not giving a break out from this 41,352, we can't say the trend is changing, right? So in both nifty and bank nifty, trend is bearish and trading near the important support levels. So for the next 2-3 days, the closing is important. So if nifty is below 17,000, then it can reach to the next target of 16,500. And if bank nifty sustain below this 39,620 or 39,500 to 39,600 zone, so we can expect further downside movement till 38,221, right? So I have created a short collar bearish collar strategy also, and that I have shared on my website. So I will share the link in the description, or you can just go to tradepick.com where you will get the weekly strategy I have initiated. So basically I initiated a bearish trade while keeping this level as a you can say a reference point, and my stop loss is above like around this 40,000. So whenever, like if I found that bank nifty is trying to sustain above this 40,000, I will like exit the trade, and risk is very nominal, like 4,000 risk against like 12,000 rupees profit. So I have already shared the strategy on my website and in my Telegram channel, so you can just join and follow these strategies. So I hope this video gives some clarity, like where we are going. Before I close the strategy, let's check the OI data of bank nifty also, and to find what is the support and resistance for the base OI data. So you can see first thing is like trend is neutral, and support is like around this 39,100. PCR is 2, so 39,100 is the immediate support, and resistance are all these levels are resistance, because as 13,700 PCR is 0.51, so 13,700 is also acting as a resistance, but it's near the range, near the you can say near the range, near the boundary. So 9,800 can be the immediate resistance for today. You can follow this, and if bank nifty try to sustain above this 39,800, then only it will reach to the further upside levels. Broad range we can follow this 40,000, and on the downside is 39,000. So 39,000 to 40,000 can be the broad range for the current weekly expiry. Like if you want to create a neutral trade, like trend is neutral, and if you want to create a neutral trade here, you can just follow this 40,000 to 39,000, and you can just sell, create a neutral trade by selling further out of the money call and put option. So you can just sell 38,800 put option, and this 40,200 call option. So just you can keep a 200 points buffer in case if there is any breakout or breakdown of data, is this data is changing, you have time to adjust your position, right? I hope this video gives some clarity, and if you have any query, you can just join our Telegram channel, or you can follow my website tradepick.com also. Thank you for watching this video. Have a profitable day.